Hi, I'm Dr. Kristina Tansavatdi, and I'm a double board certified facial plastic surgeon. And I specialize in facelift surgery and all things anti-aging. In this video, I want to share with you some real results of a patient of mine who has been so generous to share her results, her progress from CO2 laser resurfacing. I get questions all the time from patients. They want to know, what does a CO2 laser result look like? What are the day-by-day progression? So I'm going to share with you that in this video. First picture I'm going to show you is the day of the surgery. It's not shocking. There's going to be blood. There's going to be on the surface, you'll see with this picture, she also has this yellow gauze that's right under her eyes. That's from lower eyelid surgery that I combined at the same time with the CO2 laser resurfacing. The most common procedure I combine with laser is a facelift, because that is the best result you can get when you combine tightening of the skin as well as tightening of the soft tissues. That being said, with her, she had lower eyelid surgery and CO2 laser resurfacing. There's redness on the skin because we pull blood from the patient, we harvest it, and we apply it back onto the skin, and that's called PRP or PRFM. You've probably heard of it as a vampire facial, popularized by Kim Kardashian, but that's using your own blood to really stimulate new growth and help heal the skin. So it heals faster. The skin will heal faster in this patient. You'll see that as she progresses. So the next day, her skin is going to look, your skin is going to look really distorted. And I don't want to underemphasize that. I have patients, friends, and family who will get shocked by the appearance of their loved ones. And this is going to be true for you if you are undergoing a CO2 laser done by myself. It's a more aggressive CO2 laser. We are burning layers of skin off the face, and it's several passes that I make on the skin. But that's how we get flawless, beautiful skin. And when we do this, I have to do this under general anesthesia so that you can have good pain control. You will not feel any pain during the process, and after the process, my patients will say, hey, you know, it was very surprising. I looked bad, but I didn't feel anything. It was not very painful at all. I had maybe a little burning sensation, and that was it, but it was messy. And so you'll see in this patient's photo, this is day one, the day after the procedure, and she looks messy. All that goop is actually all the ointment that I have you apply after the surgery. That's how you treat burns so you don't scar and you get a great result. This following picture is day 3 to day 4. Some of that swelling is going down. She's looking better. Then day 5, you're starting to see more and more progression. Skin is starting to peel away. You see some areas that look pink. And then by day 6, this is before she came in for her next appointment with me, you see majority of the skin has now healed. She does still have some scabs that are showing, but her skin is peeking through, and you can see that flawless skin is showing. And then on day 7, she came back in to see me, and you could see her skin's pretty much healed except for that lower eyelid. That is where I go more aggressive for my patients so that you can have that smooth skin. That's where we see a lot of the aging changes as we age. It is under the lower eyelid and around the mouth. And in her case, she had a lot of aging changes in the lower eyelid. And so that's where I went aggressive. And it takes about 10 days before that skin is flawless. And by 2 weeks, this is the last picture you could see, she looks amazing. And that lower eyelid skin is pink. It will stay pink. It might flare up at 1 month. It will get a little bit deeper red, and that's normal. And then by 3 months, that pink should fade, and you should be able to apply good makeup and cover all of that by the 2nd week. So that's the progression of CO2 laser resurfacing. For more information, please tune in to my other videos on YouTube at my channel, Facelift Expert. Thank you much.